What up, y'all? This is day 25 of me trying to catch a fish in this damn pond, bro. 25 days straight, I haven't catch nothing in this damn pond. So today, I'm gonna use my micro crankbait. Any fish gonna be count today, bro, because I'm getting tired of getting skunked, man. Let's go. Y'all ready? First cast. Set my drag right quick. First cast. That's a big blow up right there. Y'all see that? Oh my God. I'd be happy if I catch a crappie in here too. Okay, bro. I'm pissing off, bro. I can't catch some damn fish in this damn pond, bro. I'm gonna put down my damn micro bait. I'm gonna go put on my liveless crank. The biggest liveless crank I have, bro. Fuck this shit. I'll give us another 10 minutes. If I still don't catch no damn fish, I'm done with this damn pond, bro. Let's go. So I'm just cut off my chatterbait. And then I have the gold and the silver. I'm gonna put on the gold because it's kind of sunny outside right now. Make a loop. Stick it through the eyes. Oh no. Overhand knot. By the way, I learned this knot from Lojo. If you don't know who he is, go search him up. I love that guy, man. His channel is on point. Let's go. Yeah. First cast. Ooh, that thing cast far. This is my favorite bait of all time. Y'all already know if y'all follow me for a while. Alright, that's it, y'all. I gave up on this damn pond, bro. I'll see y'all in the next video with a different pond. Please like it and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys at the next video at the different pond, okay? I gave up on this pond.